Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and a backup of critical files. Open Start, then Settings, then System, and choose Storage to get to storage settings quickly. Once there, click Change where new content is saved or Manage Storage to see current drive assignments. This is where Windows decides where updates and files go. Make sure the destination drive is formatted NTFS and has free space. If not, pause and prepare that drive before moving on. Next, you shift the update data path. Pause Windows Update in Settings Update and Security to prevent file locks. Then stop the Windows Update service using Services or an elevated PowerShell command. Move or rename /Windows/software distribution to the new drive folder, preserving permissions. Alternatively, create a symbolic link with mclink/j to point the old path to the new location. Restart the update service, then resume updates. This redirects update down. Finish by restarting your PC and running Windows Update to verify it downloads to the new location. If updates fail, pause again and inspect permissions on the moved folder. Windows needs full control, and ensure the symbolic link targets the correct path. If problems persist, revert by restoring the original software distribution folder or removing the link, then test again. Make sure you created a system restore point before starting. That gives you a fast rollback option if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.